a DIY Oreo cake, and it's so easy to make because all you're going to be needing is some milk. I'm just going to use white milk actually, and I think of it because I like chocolate milk better for drinking, and I don't think we have any white milk, so I'm just going to use this milk. Or I might use soy milk, but I think I'm going to use this because yeah, okay. So you're just going to grab a little cup. I have this clear one right here that I use for the microwave pizza. And then you're also going to be needing some Oreos. Got these Oreos, and I ate them yesterday, but I finished them because it was getting too late. So then I just put them down, and I just went upstairs. So you're just going to want to take 1 or 2 Oreos, and you're just going to put them in your cup. I always take 2 to 3, but if you guys are just using this for a test, I recommend only putting 1. Then you're also going to be needing a fork or something else. I'm just going to use chopsticks because that's like the only thing that is easy to use for me. And then I'm just going to pour a little bit of milk, and the more liquid you want to your cake, then the more milk you should put. But I'm not going to put too much milk, and I just put too much, so then I'm just going to drink some. Yummy. Then you're just going to start to crush your Oreos, and I'm going to see you back when my Oreos are all crushed. So I just got it, and now this is really looking like cake batter, and yeah, it's just an Oreo cake. So you should not have any chunks left inside your batter, and it should just be no lumps. And then you should just have your nice little cake mix. I'm still crushing the Oreo pieces into the batter. So this is what it looks like. And this is what the cake batter should look like if you guys want it to work well. It's okay if it's not thoroughly mixed because you can also have an Oreo surprise. If you guys put something in the middle. You can also put little chocolate chips, but I don't want to do that right now because I'm too in a rush. So I'm just going to put this back in the fridge, and I'll see you. Okay guys, so now we can put this into the microwave, and I'm just going to put it in. So you're just going to microwave this for a few minutes, like 1 or 2, whatever you want. Don't forget to take your chopstick. You can lick the chopstick, or you can ask someone to lick it if you don't want to. Then you're just going to put it into the microwave, and you're going to microwave it for 1 minute. So it's not really done, but yes, we can take it out. And I'm just going to wipe my napkin right here. OMG guys, it is heating hot. Be careful when you do this because it is so hot right now. I think I'm going to have to use a towel or something. I'm just going to use this little tiny mitt thing to get it. And then your cake should look something like this when it's done. And you can add some whipped cream, but I don't have any because apparently my whipped cream kind of just turned into liquid because it actually expired. So yeah, but that is fine because it is still delicious. And then you can just grab a fork and you can start to eat it because it is so yummy. I'm just going to use a fork. What other toppings can you put that are not that bad? Yummy. And I'll show you guys what the texture should be like. And I will show you the inside. Let me just get a good angle. Oh my gosh, guys, it's just actually like a sponge cake. So, it should look something like this on the inside. If it looks still kind of like raw, then you can put it back in. But mine is actually turned into cake. So I definitely recommend giving this a shot. because it is so good, guys. Taste test. Does taste like good. So if you guys have chocolate milk, I recommend using chocolate milk because this, I never used chocolate milk for this before. So I think that's why it tastes so chocolatey, or if that's a word. But I'm just gonna add some maple syrup, some chocolate syrup. Here's the chocolate syrup. Oh my gosh, I have to get really down now because the chocolate syrup like is so like it kind of like dropped. I think. Okay, I'm gonna close this with my camera. Okay, so we can just put the syrup in, and then we can eat. Oh my gosh, guys, I just got like a bunch of disgusting stuff. Now I'm just gonna put some chocolate syrup as a topping. I'm going to stop using, I'm gonna put